In a world where every system is collapsing, nothing is supposed to be remembered. Every few seconds, data resets itself, names disappear, numbers vanish, and even stored instructions get erased instantly. The system was designed to forget everything to maintain stability. But something unexpected begins to happen. A strange alert appears during execution. Developer instance detected. Alexa is the developer. Alexa, the developer, opens her VS Code editor. She creates a folder by name Python, and inside it she creates variables.py file. And begins writing a small Python program to understand how memory behaves during execution. Name equals Alexa. Age equals 25. Score equals 100. Print, output, name. She opens new terminal, enters into the current directory and runs the program by typing py variables.py. On the terminal, she sees the output as output, Alexa. And at that moment, Alexa realizes something important. Python is storing data temporarily during execution. A variable is a container that holds a value in memory. When she writes name equals Alexa, Python stores Alexa in memory and associates it with the name. The equal sign is the assignment operator, which assigns values to variables. Alexa now explores naming rules of a variable. Alexa now wants to make sure the system accepts the variables she creates. If the names are incorrect, the program won't run at all. She starts with valid variable names. Name equals Alexa. Underscore age equals 25. Score 1 equals 100. Print, name, underscore age, score 1. Everything works fine. Here print is a function to display anything on terminal. She sees output on terminal as Alexa 25 100. Then she experiments with invalid names. One name equals Alexa. Print, one name. Python throws an error. She wonders why is it giving an error. She tries again. User space name equals Alexa. Print, user space name. Another error. One more attempt. Score at equals 100. Print, score at. Again, Python rejects it. Now Alexa understands the rules. Variable names must start with a letter or underscore. They cannot start with numbers. They cannot contain spaces. Only letters, numbers, and underscore are allowed. Variable names are case sensitive. Variable names cannot have special symbols in them. Moving on, Alexa tries multiple assignments. To make things efficient, Alexa writes a comma b comma c equals 10 comma 20 comma 30. Here comma separates the variables on left hand side and values on right hand side. Print a. Print b. Print c. Output on terminal shows 10, 20, 30. She realizes Python allows assigning multiple variables in a single line. Variables on left-hand side and assigned to values on right-hand side respectively. Next, Alexa experiments with reassignment. Alexa tests what happens when a value changes. Score equals 100. Score equals 200. Score equals 300. Print, final score, score. Output is final score, 300. She understands that variables do not keep old values. Each new assignment replaces the previous one and they store latest value. Alexa defines constant style variables. Alexa now wants to store values that shouldn't change. Pi equals 3.14. Print, pi. Terminal shows output as 3.14. She learns that Python does not enforce constants, but uppercase names are used as a convention. Even then, she tries. Pi equals 3.14. Pi equals 2.121. Print, pi. Terminal shows output as 2.121. She realizes constants can still be changed, but they shouldn't be. Alexa explores data types. Alexa now tests different types of data. Name equals Alexa. Age equals 25. Height equal 5.9. Is underscore active equals true. Print, name. Print, age. Print, height. Print, is underscore active. Terminal shows output as Alexa. 25. 5.9. True. She understands that variables can store different types of values. String. Integer. Float. Boolean. Alexa checks memory using ID function. Curious about how Python stores values. X equals 10. Y equals 10. Print, ID, X. Print, ID, Y. X equals 10. Y equals 10. Print, ID, X, ID, Y. Two different variables, but the same identity. The system wasn't just storing data. It was reusing reality. Terminal output shows long values that may differ. She notices both variables have the same memory address. Python sometimes reuses memory when values are the same. Alexa stared at the screen. The system had rules. Variables were temporary memories. Assignment gave them brief existence. Nothing lasted. Reassignment didn't change the past, it replaced it. Constants weren't constant. Even identity was reused. The system rebuilt itself every time it ran. But then, something felt different. Not all data behaved the same. Some values reacted differently. As if the system wasn't just storing memory. It was classifying it. Alexa leaned closer. What are these types?